The road leading to the trailhead follows a 150-year-old wagon trail. We're on an adventure today. Today we're going to walk Tioga Falls Nature Trail. We've been wanting to do this for over a year, so today's the day. It's the quest to find the waterfall. The trail is 1.9 miles to the waterfall and then 1.9 back to our vehicle. So we're going to have a good hike today. So let's see if we can do it. This trail is located 1 mile south of West Point, Kentucky, or 8 miles north of the Fort Knox Main Gate. One of the first things you see is this beautiful creek bed. We love to see creeks like this, so peaceful and beautiful. And then it begins, the steep uphill climb. Good thing we wore our hiking boots. This trail lies in an area of Fort Knox used for military training and sometimes is closed to hikers. I'm out of breath. This is like uphill. I think we're climbing a mountain right now.
Still heading straight up.
And I'm out of breath. More uphill. We thought we had come to the top, but no, we're still climbing. And we're still out of breath. We had caught our breath and now we're breathing hard again. Glad we wore our hiking boots because this trail is pretty rugged.
I think it's a little bit more than moderate. Haven't seen any signs of bears or Bigfoot.
That's always good. No Bigfoots, feet, whatever they are. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera around because this actually looks like a creek bed, but we're walking up it. And there we go. It looks like a creek bed to me. I'm sure that when we have heavy rains, water floods down this thing. And you can see with all the rocks, you have to watch every step so that you don't twist an ankle or fall, because me, being the accident-prone person that I am, I don't want to get hurt out here in the middle of nowhere, because that would not be a good thing. Not good at all. And as you can see, we're still walking uphill. How tall is this? I hear a train in the distance. Whoa, more climbing. We brought our backpacks, our water. I have 2 granola bars in case we get up here and we find ourselves starving. We'll have something.
A lot of mud up here in the middle trail.
Yeah, I think water must just flow down like a river when we get a lot of rain. Well, it looks like we're coming to a crest. Are we at the top? We don't know. Time will tell.
We're kind of on top, it looks like.
Well, it looked like that before, and then we climbed up some more.
Yep. We'll go down here, I think. A little bit better smooth over here.
Don't fall.
You gotta definitely be looking at your feet.
Yeah, there's roots, there's rocks, there's mud, there's everything that you have to avoid so that you don't fall and twist an ankle, which is the last thing we want to do way out here in the middle of nowhere.
If by chance we go missing,
Yikes.
okay,
Now that was just about a twisted ankle, guys.
we go missing, we might be on an episode of Dateline. That's another of those shows we like to watch.
Just make sure that somebody comes and finds us, please. I don't want to be out here forever. I brought another pair of shoes in my backpack, and I can already tell before we head back I'm gonna have to change my shoes. It is one thing good about this trail, it's shaded. You're not in the sun, so that's really good because it is hot.
Didn't really need to bring our sunglasses.
And it would be miserable if all this was sunny.
It was
and
hot
having to
and
climb.
humid.
Oh my gosh. But so far so good. I haven't
Like we got a
fallen
little bend up here.
down the hill yet.
Haven't heard any more footsteps, so that makes me wonder what that was we heard.
It was a little bit scary. All right, I'm gonna turn the camera. Yikes. I mean, you have to watch your feet. Because I nearly turned my ankle and I was even watching. If you don't step on the rock just right, you roll your ankle. This is a very peaceful, quiet nature trail. And we love trails like this.
Hear a few mosquitoes around my ear.
That's one thing we did not bring with us is bug spray. On part of the trail, we had to follow the signs and take a detour. So we've come to railroad tracks, and according to the sign, we are not supposed to walk down the railroad track, but we're supposed to walk across. So we hope there's a path on the other side, otherwise we don't know where we're going. Crossed the bridge and we found the path on the other side. So we're all good. I think we're going to get there. Let's hope a train doesn't come and run us down. We don't know what the elevation is here, but we can see the tops of some really big hills on the other side. So it feels like we climbed a mountain.
It does, actually does.
We've caught our breath. Now we're gonna go on the trail again. And it was more uphill climb from there. Just when you think you're finished climbing, there's more. Okay, we just heard a bunch of footsteps down there. So we're hoping it's a person and not a bear or a Bigfoot. We watch those crazy Bigfoot shows. And they say around the Fort Knox area, which is where we are, there's a lot of sightings because it is protected land. And I wouldn't want to fall down that hill. That is, you would roll all the way in.
May not look that steep, but it's very, very steep.
At one point in the trail, there was poison hemlock on both sides of the trail, so we had to walk very carefully not to brush up against it. We were just taking some steps. We didn't have the camera on, and I heard this big clang on the rocks, and I was like, what's that? And Keith's water bottle fell out of his backpack, so it was nothing to be alarmed about. getting close. Come on, Waterfall. We gotta find you.
Oh yeah, I can hear water.
Definitely water. We just hope it's the waterfall and not something else. We hear it. I can see part of it. Woohoo! We made it to the waterfall. There it is. Guys, we made it to the waterfall and look how beautiful. It's so pretty and so peaceful back here. It was definitely worth the 1.9 mile walk up the mountain to find it.
Yeah. But look how nice that is. It goes way up there.
It's really beautiful. So if you ever are thinking about walking Tioga Falls, it's definitely worth it.
Yeah,
it's
give it
so
a big
pretty.
thumbs up. Big thumbs up. I'm glad you weren't bears. You kidding me?
It's hard to tell in the video, but this waterfall went all the way up to the top of the hill. It was humongous, and there have been many reports of people being hurt by climbing the falls, which is strictly prohibited. We love waterfalls, and we could have stayed here for hours watching these waterfalls. It was so peaceful and beautiful. Because Tioga Falls is located on federal property, hikers have to follow the rules and regulations. If they don't, they could be prosecuted. This trail was amazing. You get down here where the waterfall is. I'm sure the camera and pictures don't do it justice. It was gorgeous and so peaceful. It's definitely worth the climb up the mountain and the 1.9 miles we walked to get here. So now, 1.9 miles back.
Oh no.
We ate our granola bars, drank some water, and started our hike back down the hill. This is very steep, and you definitely have to watch every step. For me, it was harder going down than it was coming up because gravity wants to make you go faster than you should, and it's really hard not to lose your footing.
Easy does it. I hear humans.
This trail was rough and steep, so you have to use caution and hike at your own risk. But we did it. We made it back out to the main road and to our vehicle. If you would like to see more of our videos, click the video that just popped up on your screen.